Welcome to DevSummit 2020.
Morning, everyone. Thank you. Thanks. We'd like to welcome everyone attending virtually from around the world and some of our distributors, partners, and staff in the room with us today for the Esri 2020 Developer Summit Plenary. You know, I think many of you have seen the first part of that video. It takes place in the real world. The second part of that video is brand new, and we built that with you in mind. It takes place in the digital world. This is where you as developers write code and build apps that influence our real world in positive ways. And that is really, really cool. You know, during and after the Dev Summit, we encourage you to connect with us and the rest of the Esri global community using these social media hashtags. You can see Twitter and Instagram feeds up here, but especially the #DevSummit hashtag. Our goal this morning is to share with you new technology with which you can do amazing things with. Technology that is going to make your job more effective. And before we jump into that, I have a special guest this morning. I'd like to welcome out Jack Dangermond to say hi to everyone as well. Hey, Jack.
Hello. Good. We are touching here, even in spite of the virus.
Yeah, but there's Purell in the back.
Yeah, there's Purell in the back, exactly right. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, all of you listening online and those of you here, I want to say thank you for coming to this event. I apologize also that we couldn't hold it live in this room. We miss you here in Palm Springs. It's normally, I would say something like, you know, it's welcome to sunny Palm Springs, but just all of you who are sorry about the sunshine. It's raining like dogs and cats here, so don't worry, you're not missing that part of it. There's no question. Listen, this is a really important conference for I'm sure you, but also for us. And so we decided to do this virtually. We're going to cover first with this plenary today with live streaming, but then over the next week, day by day, you'll get new episodes of all the little tech sessions that are being put together. The people have worked their hearts out not only to build the technology that you'll be seeing today, but also to get ready to present it to you. So I'm really proud of what they're going to show you. It's important, and your work, actually, I want to speak personally to each of you here. Your work is extremely important. It's the work that enables us to be able to do this idea of a digital transformation using geographic science. And is this going to happen? The evidence is that it's already happening. I mean, people here in the partner community in the last few days have been sharing how they're making major advancements in environmental conservation. They're looking at precision agriculture and making more sustainable agriculture, and in forestry, and in water, and making cities smarter, and making utilities smart grid applications, doing more efficient things, making the world safer with better public safety applications. Yep. And this has all been developers. They've been showing examples of demographics and human health, from coronavirus down to helping people on the street, the homeless community that's a plague that's plaguing here in the United States Americans. And it just goes on and on. This doesn't happen by chance. It's not out of the box. It really requires the creativity of you here online, around the world, engineering and thinking through, and I mean, your phrase is living by the code, but my phrase is making a difference. And so this is a worthwhile conference. You're going to get a lot of enrichment from the next couple of days, or the next couple of hours particularly, and the next couple of days watching this stuff. And so, ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for coming, and welcome to this. It's the beginning of another big step, another big chapter in our collaborative history. Thank you.
Yeah. See you, Jack. Thanks. See you. So the theme of Dev Summit has always been for developers, by developers. The developers who build our code, who engineer, design, and maintain ArcGIS and its developer tools, these are the folks that are going to be showing you technology this morning. Not only in today's session, but also, again, in the upcoming weeks as we get the tech sessions out that we're working hard to publish online for you as soon as we can. This is our 15th year, and I just want to say thank you for being part of our developer community. And if you're a brand new developer watching for the first time, I think you're going to be blown away with the tools that you have to use to make amazing things right now. This is more than a virtual conference this year. This is a developer community, and it's stronger than ever. The developer activity on GeoNet is the #1 place that this community talks. And it's quite amazing, and we really, really want to encourage you to continue that. All of you that are joining us on the live stream, talk to us during the event and after as well. The tech workshops that we normally would have done, you're going to be seeing in a couple weeks coming up on YouTube. This is a screenshot of the previous tech workshops from last year, so just be patient. We're working hard to get these up for you on Esri TV. Also, a popular part of the Dev Summit has always been the hands-on workshops that happened prior to the Dev Summit. And while we're not able to host those this year, we have a plan converting many of those into live webinars for you and some of them into MOOCs. And more information on that in the next coming weekend. We'd also like to take this opportunity to mention that for the past few years, we've tried to keep Dev Summit going all year long with our GeoDev webinars. Each month, we host a Dev Summit-style tech workshop as a webinar, including live Q&A. And if you haven't tuned into one of these, check it out. They're really valuable and they're really fun. The information's there on the screen. Also, we host Dev Summit about every 6 months. ArcGIS development moves really fast. So for the past 5 years, we've hosted a Dev Summit in the fall in Berlin. Last year, or later this year, we hopefully will see you. Each Dev Summit is not a repeat of the previous Dev Summit. Each Dev Summit has brand new information. So if you can make it out to Dev Summit in Berlin, you'll get the latest information and catch up with us there.